Yeah, but me never know say I saw Macka Diamond. Macka Diamond them something with them I say I throw. In Macka?
You A, me no A, so take it for me now. You A, me no A, but all belong to you. Anything where you hear,
Macka Diamond.
are you anything where you hear for you? Me, you A, me no A, so take it for me now.
The woman talk some breed that thinks a Macka.
Look here,
God, Macka.
look here. When the song drop out there, them other things that talk about me, I'm a pussy left that the whole of them mouth. Not there's anything can't talk about. Right up in the sky, everything going dropping
Macka,
out.
me believe you if you just protect your little legacy well if and just love certain things. Honestly, no shade.
You for just protect your cocky when soon dead and love me.
Yeah. Can't tell people the truth these days, you know.
Just protect you. I don't have no legacy. Love me or not love me. Love me. Avoid me, sir. Avoid me. Because
The
you're an
woman,
idiot. People are search for clothes and you come here with your foolishness. Leave me and avoid me.
Macka, you could have
Because
said me I
fucking shit. Get down. Fucking idiot. If I'm him dead, then him not protect it. But him not gonna protect. But legacy. Then say me I'm an artist and me come out of music long time and I do TikTok. So when I reach back in the music and legacy. Me not business with them. Him hear everything what people are saying, so him for take it for me. If I didn't go listen that me not him. Them a talk to, not me. Anybody listen to what people say about me, I feed them, I them a talk, not me. Cause me not listen to nobody. Me not listen to nobody. I don't listen to nothing. But you damn idiot, you nah have no sense.
But you don't have no it news. Me black him. Me black him.
Exactly. So what is the problem? When you still a follow back in my follow. Me nah no it song, me nah nobody. I want to still a follow me and I talk about me forget cloud. So let me not say there's something good is happening. Hold on there.
You call him a batty boy. You should stop it. You can't come by left and come bring down the woman. Stop it, man. Don't come here, so. You're too out of order. Don't come here. And you can't come back.
Mama there, mama, I'm on a call. I'm on a call.
Uncle Demo. I got uncle with there.
Yeah, yeah, man, we're there, man.
We're there.
But you know, someone with their work.
The people are running him off. Him too out of order. Why, every time do them foolishness, every time come into them foolishness there. Every time come into them foolishness there. Every minute he come into them foolishness there. When you keep him Batman self quiet, man.
Yeah, to my phone. I'm on a call.
Me take him off and block him. Me take him off and block him. No, come, he can't come back here so back. And me tell him say, don't come back. Me block him. To outer order. To outer order. To outer order. Everybody call me and tell me about the girl I call Macka name, Regina. I say, look here, I don't want to hear that, you know. I just hang up on them. I can't bother with them. And them foolish. No one them come here so come call me about no Regina. I don't want to hear about nobody with name Regina. You know name so. Oh, I don't know how many so.
Them, uncle. Avoid them.
Give me avoid them. Avoid them, darling. Tell up the screen, guy. Send some give from guy. Man, look for. Send some give people. Say
Who that uncle?
what?
You was talking about somebody just now. Who?
One look a batty boy named Kim. Okay. Hey, boy name again. You got to find out for a while.
For class you?
Class me, no. I'm talking about. I'm talking about. You take him down now. Tap with cream, guy. Tap with cream. This song really fit. This song really fit to this, I think. Why if I pass a
I
pass?
gonna the song I gonna get bigger and bigger. That's all. That's all I got. The song will get bigger and bigger. That's all.
Guys, remember the pass. Guys, one EPA pass on TikTok. One EPA pass.
So, Macka, you the next song?
Of course.
Me beg something.
After we're not business with nobody. Keep me a look on them. A distraction them. Where them come as distraction. You know what I tell them? Now look on them. They go see how long people can talk with them. I'll talk for the next 3 years.
One
They go
EPA
sit down.
pass. Then one for
They
life
sit
to
down
left.
and wait for 3 years. And then start my last story and take it on the and take it on
You
song.
run for life to left. One EPA pass on TikTok. Everybody take over TikTok for them say. Everybody want to be famous. Everybody want to be create up content. Pass. Whoa. Yeah, make that with me down. I'm gonna just go viral. Look about the boy company life and run gone. We just back look about the boy. I remember when him again, what's his name? I remember his name. I remember his name, you know.
No, man.
Vale, you know his name? Vandal.
Who that uncle?
You want the body boy of this company life become violent and talk about Macka.
You know what I'm talking about? I said, all I'm going to talk for the music. So,
Yeah,
me have
Come on for the a while ago, but me did that list. Me not see him name.
no, but me I said, me have no legacy. I'm going to have legacy.
Nobody
All
that comments no.
of them say them run the place and at them, at them.
Indian start with K.
No want no legacy, not dirty dancer music. Me no want no legacy. Me no want nothing for nobody. Me no want no new instrument at them. Right now, me's a internet, me's a content creator. Me's a internet worker. Me no dancehall artist. I'm a damn thing. Like what everybody I do with their mama and them papa everybody I do. I that me the internet I do. Me no want no legacy from nobody. Me no want no Jamaican people proud of me. Me no want no Jamaican people big up because so them big up anybody with them I big up now, then bring them down after. Me no want none from nobody. I'm myself. Me hype up myself. I'm my own cheerleader. Me good.
Well, them a try hard for block Uncle Blessing though.
Me I tell you, me said that you know. You remember me tell you that blood clean. I hit at the problem. I hit at the problem.
Very hard for blocking Blessing.
Me I tell you, hit at the problem.
Finally, a little do I
problem. It's not me, it's the problem at him. Them a try to suppress me and get rid of me. Me, but have the powers behind what everything I do.
Yeah, so you get fed up and say, yo, you're done with this, or them why you give him a little change and say, done with it. You can't
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
And because him have fiend powers and mind when they come together and it's so shocking, it'll kill them, them want break it down. Me I tell you, that's something I know. But here what happen now?
Finally.
You see, Chubu know say him got through some of the stuff that me got to where people doing bad and bash him and I understand him. And that them not know.
Yes, yes. Finally, a little door go open for him and them are try block you. All people
Exactly.
tell them
See my
they are
friend,
so terrible.
Macka, see my friend already and short down, yeah? A long time I know him. Him say, a long time, Macka in the business. Yeah. See everybody talk about Macka, yeah? I am proud of you taught Macka, don't.
Yeah, but just stay focused, Derrick, and then sometimes I know everything you have to answer to. You know, to make your name draw in everything to you. Sometimes make them
Exactly.
and work.
Look here. Remember say what day I'm drop the song now? Me say every woman them pitney drag me now. And you see me answer them and no me look on them. And no me look on them because that now benefit me. I'm stay focused, I'm stay focused. Man, I tell
I tell
you.
him everything you have to answer to somebody. Make them.
I tell you. Because how long them want talk for? How long? How long them think they can talk for? One how long?
Hello?
Because it appear contradiction. Everybody don't got to talk and contradict themselves.
Hi,
You have to
how are
just
you?
load them. Hey, let me tell you something. Everything we see I go on now. Me see somebody do that to me what day. Me see somebody come and carry me down, say me and threaten me and bring me down and chat about that. And you know one to them, and last week the person dead. Just drop the hospital and got dead. And that me try to tell you. Anybody come across me not live long after. Me I tell you.
Let me
Me
say
not ask
something.
you. So sometimes me look on them and bring me down, me I laugh at them, you know, because of them dead, them smell. Me I tell you.
Let me say something.
Anybody who you say just get up and just bring me down. God nah make them live for see me. God fall, me I tell you.
Because you see when you
Somebody
don't
want to
trouble
check
All the while, them one
people,
friend she tell me that all the while. She say,
trouble
"Maka,
you, they
anytime them
cannot
come against you,
prosper.
boy, me don't know what kind of angels you have around you. Then they always do them and then dead. That's true.
When
Can I
they're not
say
trouble
something?
people and people
Them
want
somebody
trouble
text
you,
it for me,
then
then they
people
text it from the
prosper.
internet, and then text it for me and my family, them and try to bring me down. And me hold it out and me no answer, me hold it and me hold it. And then last week, then dead.
Macadama, let me say something to you. You see, when there's a mark is
So,
upon
me
your
not look
life,
for nobody kind of thing will give me problem. God will move it. If ever go
One
up on my
second.
two need them, I say, God move them. Them have to vanish away.
Macka,
That's
somebody
scary.
want to talk. Somebody want to talk to you. The gentleman also want to talk to you.
God me pray to you, know? Them feel like a man.
Papa talk.
Please.
let me say something. You see, when there's a mark is upon your life, you're going to have
And man
a.
when me they will have to be careful how them deal with me. If me and them to mash up. Me I tell you,
Macka,
then
Macka,
life
somebody
now
want to
easy
talk to you.
afterwards. Anybody come up against me, then life now go back to normal. I tell you. Then never
Macka, somebody
prosper.
want. You know, stop.
Maybe she's not hearing.
Go and talk.
Yeah, let me say something to Macadama and Derrick Martin.
Macka,
And none of
Macka.
them first thing is a Capricorn. So nobody make me get bigger and better pan negativity and carry them.
Macka,
That's
there's
the
somebody
kind
want
of
to talk to
business one
you.
wants about me. So I would not chat with business and nobody don't know business. So then just assume and say what they want to say. And they can't come take Capricorn for food. Nobody can come take it for food. We know
Macka,
who we care about and what we are doing with our life.
Could you
Crazy.
let me just prophesy and leave? Later?
Macka,
We
what
can't
the
sit
man
down
want
and
to
worry
talk.
about nobody want to try to bring me down because not me, all of them are negative energy that are coming on. Them the negative energy that now come nowhere near than me. I pure happiness me I hear from morning. Me I hear pure good news. The God of Jesus, a God of Abraham is blessing me so much right now. And because me blessing other people. All of who you
Macka,
see I carry me down, me know a whole lot of things about them. Me know a whole lot of
Just
things. I
mute.
will never talk. If me not talk, if me go on and
Mute
never
her for a
talk.
second. Look like she
Me
Mute
know
her.
words that when them talk about them.
stop. We're not.
But if I me if you can't say nothing for internet,
Look
my
like she
name
up on that
change.
car. She not
Me
here.
I'm gonna enjoy themselves. Me I'm gonna enjoy. I
Macca,
never see enough people come against me all the while and
she
how
up on
long
that
out
car,
talk
Derrick.
till next
But her
year,
mic
till
not mute.
next two
That's
years.
why.
What's the man? Them mouth must get tired. You just enjoy the movie, yeah, people. Enjoy the movie. You just have fun and enjoy the movie.
Uncle,
Can't
you
stop. What can go so for 1 million views by now next week? Or not?
you can mute her on your end.
And this is my focus there right now.
Yeah, mute her
I
and
forget
then let the
Uncle out of
youth
Jamaica
talk,
and
yeah.
a big
I'm
foreigner.
not gonna hear.
Big foreigner with tour and make pure money. And when you look Uncle come to Jamaica, come buy me a car, the whole of them the imagination that over my head. Nothing else on the my head. I don't think about people, I'm not look on none of them.